Hey everybody, I'm here at Little Bay. I climbed up the sharp rocks over here to see if I can see the waves a little bit better. It's pretty rough here. The water is slowly picking up. So our plan now is to get to the Tacking Point Lighthouse. Wow. Whoa, that's rough. Yeah, dude, we need to get out of here before it fills up over here. We've got little shells here on this sharp face. This sharp face is pretty sharp. Okay, so we're going to the Tacking Point Lighthouse over there. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get down this sharp face. Okay, bear with me guys, I need both my hands. Oh, this looks like a quicksand. Hope it doesn't swallow my feet. Okay, cool. So we are off the sharp face of Little Bay, and we're gonna take those stairs and go up to the Tacking Point Lighthouse. So I'm in Port Macquarie, everybody, and it's a Friday and it's autumn. I can feel the cool breeze, but the sun is nice and warm, and it's very enjoyable to be here. I would say autumn is a great time to come to Port Macquarie. End of May, June. Bit windy here on the beach. The beach has got lovely trees around it, but I wouldn't call it, oh my god, look at this. I wouldn't call this your average sandy beach. It's very rocky. Oh, good thing we got out of there. We would have totally got wet over there. Oh my god, look at that wave. Perfect. We just got out on time, everybody. We would have totally got drenched. So Port Macquarie is a nice quiet town. I came here last night at 3 a.m. and I was pretty tired, and somehow got into bed, and I'm just not used to this hostel kind of style yet, and there were a couple of guys snoring and I couldn't sleep. I know, if you want to do this hostel style of traveling, you should kind of be more hard. I'm getting there because I am usually used to my 9 to 5 creature comforts, and this is tricky. Okay, check out the view from here. We were right there. There's a spray, there's quite a lot of wind here. So there's ocean spray here. Hi, how you doing? There's an ocean spray of seawater. The GoPro is completely covered in salt. I think this salt is from Newcastle. Anyway, so I somehow managed to sleep a little bit, maybe 2 or 3 hours. I had this white noise app on my phone. And I put the headphones on, and I slept intermittently, like one hour, because it was like a chorus. One guy stops snoring, the other guy picks it up from where he leaves it. Oh, there's the steps. Okay guys, but I'm feeling good. I'm not feeling very tired. And you know, I'll tell you something weird. I think it's because I'm not eating too much. I'm watching what I'm eating. I'm eating things which are easily digestible, like apples, fruits. Sorry guys, it's very windy over here because we are going at an elevation. So I'm eating what is easily digestible, so it's not taking a toll on my system. That's a great view, isn't it? Okay, this is the Tacking Point Lighthouse. Notice one thing here. It's not very tall. It's because it's already on a hill, so it's only 8 meters high. It's very windy, guys, I'm sorry. Fuck, it's really windy here. Check out the view, everybody. Sorry. There's quite a lot of dust in the air as well because it's dry. You see, there's a different color over there. You got murky area here, and there's a clear separation, and there's darker area of the ocean over there. I think it's because there are two different types of waters mixing or something. But look at the waves, guys. I'm sorry, I'm just covering so that the wind doesn't ruin the audio. So let's look at that view. Isn't that amazing? That's a great view. Over there, you can watch whales over here apparently. I can't see any. Usually you kind of see a whale just jump up like that. I'm sorry about the audio, guys. It's a historic site, Tacking Point. God, it's really windy. So, great view, isn't it? A rocky beach with a great view and a lovely historic lighthouse. This lighthouse was built in 1890 and it's only 8 feet tall because it's already on a pretty good height, and there were quite a lot of ships that were getting crashed in here, so they needed this lighthouse because it's a rocky beach, you know. So I'm just checking out the different beaches in Port Macquarie at the moment. So this is the Little Bay and the Tacking Point Lighthouse. Hope you liked it and hope this will help you motivate you to come here one day. Thanks guys, take care, bye.